Righto, so I'm at it again, and again I'm out at night time because, well, I wasn't planning on being out at night, but it was a long day at work. It took a lot longer than planned, so after work I'm doing a bit of clean-up job. So out at a track, someone had told me about this mess out on this track. People go forward driving and riding bikes out this way, so I thought I might pop out and clean this one up and see if we can keep these areas open. So this one's a bit of a mess. It's going to be a little bit tricky. There's bits and pieces of the car here, there and everywhere. Another part of it over here. So I'll be able to pick this piece up with my hoist and put it in the back of the truck. But the main part, I'll throw it on the back of the trailer. I just slide it up sideways and flip it over and spin it and flip it, drag it, whatever, something. We'll figure it out. So yeah, I'll get some gear going and we'll see how this goes. Righto, we got something hooked up here. We got a little redirect over here. We got a little line up in the camera doesn't show up. There's a line up there going across to there. It's got a bit of a dodgy load, but we'll see how we go here. See, I've got a line holding the top end so it doesn't fall backwards too much. And see, I'm just moving that across here, leaning over this direction a bit. And then I've got my other line over here that I'm going to drag this other end of it up on top of the trailer. We'll see how we go with that. Might get a bit hooked onto the trailer there. We'll see how we go. So we've got an engine and everything dangling down here. I don't know if that's going to drag up. I was hoping that might just come away from the wreck, but I just reconfigured a little bit now. I've got a bit of tension on the rear there, so I'm just going to try to flop the top here over and see what happens. Might get a bit on that back one again, see. Yeah, that's the go. Probably going to rip the thing apart over here. Righto, just reconfigured some stuff. Going to have another crack at this. See if I can roll it over onto the trailer. Not sure how this is going to go. Got an engine over there and stuff, and not the best leverage. Oh, it's coming. Sort of. Getting a lot of load there now. I don't know how this is going to go. She's a bit of a tricky one, this one. I might see if I can just get a little bit more on the front winch here. Just a mangled mess, this thing. And about to run out of winch rope. But it's coming. There we go. But now I'm out of winch rope. Let's see if I can get a bit more with the other winch. That's about all we can get there. I might have to just throw another winch rope at it and reconfigure a little bit and get it the rest of the way up. But it's coming. A bit of a tricky one, this one though, all mangled piece of mess. Alright, here we go. It's that time. We're at the recyclers. Getting this thing off. This mangled mess. These boys do a good job here. Look at that. Yes.
Wow, what do you got?
Okay.
What do you got?
That used to be a car, I think, at some point.
Yeah.
Oh, unreal. That's awesome. Good stuff.